Hello students, how are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. Are you happy? I hope so. Welcome to my channel, Ahmad Juanda, Guru Pembaca. Before we continue with the lesson, I hope that all of you have subscribed to my channel so that this channel can continue to grow and provide useful things. Hello students, today I will tell you about caption text. What is a caption text? Caption text is brief description, heading or title that identify or introduce a document, graphic, photograph, or table. When we read newspapers, both printed and electronic, of course, the first time we see, our concern is the image presented. Readers will find out about the picture by reading the text given to the part of the picture. We will know the events in the image through the text. So, it is very important to provide text accompanying images or caption or a published image. Okay, students, now let's practice understanding some accompanying text in the following image.
When arrived, Jakartans enjoy a trial run of the first phase of the Jakarta MRT, which connects Lebak Bulus in South Jakarta to the Hotel Indonesia traffic circle in central Jakarta on Tuesday. City-owned PT MRT Jakarta is carrying out a free trial of its new service until March 24th, aiming to attract 285,000 passengers. The Jakarta Post, Wendra Ajasutama. In this September 20th, 2018 photo, 5th grade teacher Heather Dalton, Center, works with students Julian Rino, left, and McKinley Burns. Doing math problems on the Dreambox system with Charles Barnum Elementary Shoe and Broughton Con. A wide array of apps, websites, and software used in schools borrow elements from video games to help teachers connect with students living technology and use live AP photos. Michael Melia.
Okay, well students, do you understand the caption text that you have read? Good job! Make it easy to understand the caption text from the image because we can guess it based on the picture given, other than that the sentence used is a fictional sentence.
1. Jakartans enjoy a trial run of the first phase of the Jakarta MRT. 2. City-owned PT MRT Jakarta is carrying out a free trial of its new service until March 24th. 3. In this September 20th, 2018 photo, 5th grade teacher Heather Dalton, Center, works with students Julian Rino, left, and McKinley Burns.
Okay, well students, notice the three sentences quoted from the text. The three sentences are factual sentences, aren't they? Yeah, you are absolutely correct. We usually call them the present sentences. Okay, now please read the two caption texts and then do the following exercises. Very good. You can answer the question correctly. To be more convincing whether your answer is correct or not, let's answer the questions together for the first text.